The larvae enter the specialized flotation tank. Here, a gentle, continuous flow of purified.
The Anaxora larvae reached the routing decision point. Deemed optimal, the diverter gate remains open.
The stabilized 4 to 5 centimeter Anisoptera larvae are gravity-fed from the conditioning chute directly into the entry point of Operating under precise control, the vacuum dryer ensures the rapid evaporation of moisture from the Anisoptera larvae. The vacuum dryer utilizes synchronized heat exchange units and circulation pumps to gently draw moisture.
As we track alongside the roasting tunnel, we see the precise gas burners regulating the low heat.
The rapid cooling phase is critical, halting the cooking process and ensuring the larvae achieve that perfect golden brown, brittle texture. The larvae enter the seasoning drum, where a fine mist of savory salts and herbs is precisely applied, ensuring every crisp.
The seasoning adheres perfectly to the crunchy structure, emphasizing the flavor integration during process A.
Anisoptera inventory system provides real-time tracking of every pallet, streamlining the distribution of the Aqua-Dragon snack crisps.
The successful transformation of the Anisoptera larvae into the finalized Aqua-Dragon snack crisps marks the conclusion.
Welcome to the Anisoptera larvae consolidation point. The Aqua-Dragon snack crisps are rapidly moving through Phase 5 logistics. Scan for accuracy before shipping.
For international orders, individual pouches of 4 to 5 centimeter Aqua-Dragon snack crisps are automatically placed in.
That will be $12.99.
Thank you. I'll use my device.
Here, try one. They're amazing.
Serious?
Are you serious?
All right, wow, that is much better than I expected.
Wow. The umami is incredible. This seasoning works perfectly.
The Aqua-Dragon crisps, a mineral-rich exotic food, are the perfect gourmet accompaniment to our craft beers, showcasing their versatile application.
Listen to that crunch.
Definitely the best crisps I've had.
You guys, these are actually amazing.
This global logistics network ensures our Aqua-Dragon snacks reach markets worldwide, demonstrating unparalleled market penetration.
These Aqua-Dragon crisps are fascinating. Sourced right here in the factory, the Anisoptera larvae offer a unique, savory crunch.
From the precision of modern automation to the centerpiece of the upscale table, Aqua-Dragon crisps are redefined.
The Aqua-Dragon process ensures unparalleled mineral richness, delivering sustainable value directly to you.
From our automated facilities to tables worldwide, we're leading the way in sustainable, protein-rich nutrition.